Introducing the Roadrunner, an entirely new car for 1968. And the only way to catch one is at your Plymouth dealers.
Chocolate coconut porter. Oh, damn, that's strong, but it is good. 6%. Yeah, it's good enough. Anyhow, take a look at it. Yeah, I think it's a good day for only primer today. But hey, that's okay. Primer is a good thing. I don't have to worry about shine today. This is coat number 2. We don't want to go too heavy. This beer is made by Deep Cove Beer Company. Very beautiful, fabulous spot in the Vancouver area. Maybe I'll put a clip in here. Very short video today. This is Deep Cove, and that is the entrance to Deep Cove by the yachts. And the downtown section is about there. And that's the waterfront beach area. Kayak rental. This is all the housing on this side. Vancouver's that way. Around. Some nice houses. Almost the end of the day, actually. It's getting late. What time is it? 9 o'clock? Except for the water's a little dirty. Still a lot of kayakers on the store. This guy's coming through, look at him. He's going fast. Okay. Oh. I heard him. Sea lion growling. Somewhere. It's a sea lion. Moonlight paddling soon. Huh? I don't know. Other side of the water, the moon is. Yeah, still a lot of people hanging out. And paddling out. Is it jellyfish? No. Seaweed. Da 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 da.
2,000 years later.
Alright, a week has went by, and yes, it's still raining here. Hey, welcome to Vancouver in the Pacific Northwest. But you know what? I really like to let my primered bodies gas out a lot, to let all the solvents like bleed off. But you know what? This is a time limited build, but I've got 3 months to do this, and you know what? It's a simple kit, so should be doable. Look at, that's it. That's all the pieces and parts and whatever is in it. So bodies in primer, interior tub is blank, pretty simple interior tub, pretty simple pieces. The bottom tray chassis is in its semi-gloss kind of state. Engine. Now, I'm not going to go with the small block in this. We've decided to alter what would have happened if this would have been a real Roadrunner back in the days. The 1977, 1978, 79 Roadrunners were basically a graphic and trim package. And the engine options were basically a basic 318, and then the highest option was the 360. And you can actually get a 4-barrel on a 360 and 78, I think it was, yeah. But you know what? The origins of the Roadrunners were in 1968. They produced them as a 383 Magnum. It was a stripped down performance car. Very basic car. No options. And one of the options was a Hemi. A Go Fast Street Racer Hemi. That was it. And what they were trying to do was to build a car less than $3,000 that would run a 14-second quarter mile. So that was the beginnings of Roadrunners. So let's fast forward to my kit. What would happen in 1978, say maybe a 10th anniversary model of it going back to its roots of a Magnum engine, like a 400 big blocks were an option back then, but only in the big cars. So what would have happened if they put it in the mid-size Roadrunner Volare? We've pilfered this engine out of this kit. So that's what we decided to do. The Belvedere kit, we're gonna take its engine and steal it. It's a 125th kit, so it should work on the 125th Volare kit box, or whatever. So we're doing engine fitments, and because I was going to use this engine in that kit, I had put it together with the cross ram, and that's going to come off. We're going to go single 4-barrel, so that is going to cut off. But one thing I noticed, I'm going to have to cut that drive shaft out of it because it's not going to fit in there. And this is how the rest of the fitment will go. La-da-da-da-da. It's like that. So we will begin that and we will come back. So it looks like it's going to be a pretty simple fit. Transmission should line up there, and I think I got enough room between the rad and the engine when I put the fan blade on and all of that. The only thing I'll have to do is sink the engine a little bit lower. It's a little cockeyed. That's what he said. So I'm gonna trim that little piece out and see how it sits. And going install like that hood view, we are definitely gonna run low on room, so we're gonna have to sink it. It's gonna, once the carbon air cleaner on, she's gonna hit the top of the hood. So we have more trimming to do. You can see I trimmed, look at, pretty good, not bad, notched well, but we have to do a little bit more. But that clears the hood better. See, not bad. We'll give it a try. Should be pretty freaking close. Much, yeah. Fitment, look at that. Fits perfect. Wow, incredible. It's like it's made for this kit. Okay, we should probably end it here, but at least we got a start on this. Time limited, like I said, so we'll finish things off before the Pro Tour Ford Courier and my Hemi Belvedere. I gotta get that done. And I'm gonna move on to this, I think. I'm way behind on this too. I've only been working on this for 3 months and have gotten nowhere. I'm fast and efficient no matter how long it takes. So my friends, till next time, look after yourselves, look after each other, and until next time, cheers. Stay awesome, my friends.